Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today's English practice all about conditional sentence. Yeah. Do you have any idea related conditional sentence? And I think in my perspective, conditional sentence is one of the most important and interesting subject to learn, to speak, and have an experience. It's my experience. I take so much interest to learn, and it is very helpful if you start speaking. As I have learned, I have spoken right now. If you conditional means what is the meaning of conditional? And before starting this series, we are I have to speak something like as we have completed tenses series of tense model verbs. Right now it's time to learn about conditional sentence, and it is the most important interesting subject you are guys going to learn. Just google it and search it about that. You will take a starting interest. So it is my favorite subject, and whenever I speak throughout the conversation any kind of conditional sentence, it makes me feel very happy. Yeah, I have used some advanced level sentence. This is called advanced level sentences when you use if. If means why we use if to any sentence. Do you have any idea why we use if? So when where there will be any condition like agar. If means agar. If it should be happen, if it happen, then it can be. If it there should be this, then means whenever there will be any condition, we should use if. And conditional sentence, it's all about if, and how we should use, what are the conditions we should use, we should keep in our mind while using this. Just we have to learn about that. Okay, so first one, today we are going to learn first one. What is the first one? Conditional sentence. And meanwhile I keep saying that there are one or too many subjects remaining to learn about modal verbs. We will keep updating meanwhile. Till then we have switched to conditional sentence, and just keep learning and keep signing. This is the most advanced level of spoken English subject. Let's get started. So guys, today's first syntax or first formula, first is rule of conditional sentence of if is where we should use and how we should use, what are the condition of using in present simple tense. So guys, rule number one of conditional sentence, conditional sentence is the rule of the that where first conditional rule is whenever we use future tense, like अगर मैं ये करता तो ये हो जाता, अगर मैं खाऊंगा तो मुझे नींद आएगी, या मैं ये काम करूंगा तो मुझे चैन आएगी. लाइक दैट you have to, अगर ये होता तो ये हो जाता. Then this is a condition, and for condition we use if. And whenever you are going to use future like will, then in conditional sentence of the first sentence, like if I will take this, if I will take, if I will work hard, अगर मैं हार्ड वर्क करूँगी देन मुझे सफलता मिलेगी. ओके, हार्ड वर्क करूँगी if I, then for karungi we should use will, but we don't have to use will in conditional sentence first. So when we should use future tense in conditional, then first, if we work hard. Don't use if we will work hard. No. In conditional sentence with if, we don't use will or any kind of future, as it is will, shall, nothing than that. Though, so we don't use future verbs like will or shall in first sentence. And second one, in second sentence, second condition we should use. In first condition we don't have to use will or shall like future, only for future, not for others, has, her, or is. This is for future tense. Whenever you are going to say that if you will work hard, it is wrong. Not, don't use if you will, it should be if you work hard. Instead of will, we just use if we work hard, not will. It will, the result of this sentence will like मैं अगर hard work करूँगी, if even if you are not using will, still it will give the meaning of will. Okay, but you must not have to use, you should not use will in, this is the condition of if in future. First condition, whenever you are going to speak like if I work hard, then only I will get succeed. If I work hard, don't use in first sentence, first condition will. This is the first. If I work hard, then only I will get succeeded, then only I will. In second sentence we can use will, shall, whatever the verb is going on, auxiliary verb or modal verb you can use. But in the first, for future only, for future only, this rule is for future only, future tense, will or shall. If I will work hard, it is wrong. In place of, instead of using I will work hard, we should use I, if I work. And the condition is that if the sentence is going to start with if, then don't use will. When any sentence going to start with if, then in first tense we don't use will, we always use present simple tense, like if I work hard, if I work hard, always use present simple tense instead of future tense. If I work hard, then only I will get succeeded. So this is the only rule of first conditional sentence, and it is very important. Whenever you go, you will get this kind of sentence to read, to write, to speak, and everywhere you will get this kind of sentence. So it is very helpful in your English learning journey, guys. Keep learning, keep practicing, and go Google it, ChatGPT it. You will find very helpful, and whatever the necessary information I think I have told you all the core ideas to needed to learn, because somehow I have observed that to keep in your mind what is the core thing one must have in their mind. I have shared with you that whenever you go to start using any sentence with if, then don't use will in first condition sentence. In second one, you can start with will, you can use with will, but in first sentence with if, you don't have to use. Whenever the sentence will start with if, you don't have to use will. Keep in your mind, this is the core idea, tips and tricks for conditional sentence rule number 1. So I have shared, and let me inform you one thing is that I also shared data analytics related videos. I am preparing for that, and very soon I am ready to start. And so what I have learned, I started sharing with you guys, that anyhow you can get help. You can also get help to your to your to grow in your career. So I started practicing by sharing to help you guys. If you are interested, then go watch and start learning and explore your journey of growth with new skills like Power BI, data analytics. I will start each and everything. Just keep watching and keep learning. Thank you. See you in my next video, guys.